Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Ford Fiesta engine oil. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Make sure you have the correct type and amount of new engine oil, typically around 4 to 5 quarts, and a new oil filter specifically for your Ford Fiesta model. Always prioritize safety by lifting your vehicle securely with jack stands on a level surface before starting any work underneath. Now let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct size wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow all the old oil to drain completely, which might take several minutes, until it slows to a steady drip. Then, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter, being mindful of any residual oil. Clean the filter mounting surface on the engine thoroughly. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional quarter to half turn. Finally, pour the specified amount of new engine oil into the engine's oil fill cap. After adding the new oil, replace the oil fill cap and lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil and build pressure. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary to reach the full mark. Also, inspect underneath the car for any leaks around the drain plug or oil filter. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.